Hello, you guys! Today we're gonna prepare fried hot dogs. Super delicious and easy to make. We're gonna need 8 sausages and 8 slices of cheese. Take 1 slice of cheese and wrap it around 1 sausage. Now we're gonna need barbecue skewers. Insert 1 in each sausage. Repeat with the rest of the sausages. Then, put all of them in the freezer for 1 hour. This will prevent the filling from leaking when we're gonna fry them. In the meantime, let's prepare the dough. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 1½ cups of flour. Mix until smooth. Try this recipe at home, then write here what you think. And don't forget to tag us on your recipes. We love to see them. Add the rest of the flour and mix well. Season the dough with salt, oregano, black pepper, and mix. You guys, this recipe is perfect for lunch. Back home, everyone loves it. You won't regret it. This is the right texture for the dough, thick and smooth. Put the dough in a glass that can fit the sausage as well. And if you're watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like and comment below. I love hot dogs. Now just put a skewer with the sausage in the dough inside the glass until the sausage is covered by it. Repeat with the rest of the skewers. Fry them in warm oil until they turn golden. And our recipe is done! Look how delicious they are! I really hope you liked this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!